Guys, I'm adding feather in my cup. I mean, faith there. See? It's faith there on my cup. But feather in my cup pwede na rin. But more of faith there. When we say feather in one's cup, we're talking about, achievement, recognition, accomplishment, accolade, or anything that you can be proud of. No? There's that sense of pride that you actually wear as a feather in your cap, ika nga, na parang, may sense of pride, no? Something na ipagyayabang mo. Now, why I'm saying this? Because nga, tumugma nga dito sa sinasabi nga natin about, faith there on my cap. So, for Fashion of the Christ, I'm wearing this one to show yung faith ko naman in the sense na, ano ba talaga yung feather in my cap ngayon? Technically, it boils down to my faith in the sense na I'm entrusting everything sa Panginoon, sa Diyos. Dahil as far as anything na I can be proud of or an added feather in my cap is yung faith ko. Malaking pagbabago kasi nun eh. All this time, I've been faithful pero not for the right reason. I would say na somehow ando doon yung point na yes, I could say na there are a few things na mako-consider na feather in my cap na pagmamalaki ko. Pero right now, with how I am or how I'm trying to be, na nakatutok lang talaga yung faith ko sa Panginoon is sa pagkakataong ito o yung sa panahon ngayon na walang-wala ako. Unlike before na may halong yabang eh. Now, anything na ma-accomplish ko or anything na siguro ma-achieve ko or may recognition, I wouldn't credit it sa sarili ko or sa galing ko or anything like that. And as far as feather in my cap is concerned, yun na nga, it's all for God's glory. Kasi hindi ko ma-achieve lahat yun o hindi ko magagawa lahat yun if not for Him. So ngayon, I want to share this kasi somehow may kinalaman doon sa how we are as a person doon sa gospel reading today. No? Again, it's not me trying to be holier than thou na kesyo na to. I just want to share kasi nga naaliw ako nung binasa ko na it has something to do with how we are as people na mga sinners. This time it has something to do with, how King David was na being the chosen one naging makasalanan din pala siya at makamundo. To the point na pinatawad siya ng Diyos. Pero ando doon yung mga consequences o yung repercussions ng kasalanan niya. So regardless kung how much he was considered to be the chosen one, meron mga naging kasalanan na kailangan pagbayaran. Ang sadly dyan, ang naging kabayaran naipasa ngayon sa mga sumunod na henerasyon. No? From his son na si King Solomon, may mga naging pattern. Same thing with what's happening with us right now, no? Sinasabi, the sin of the father hindi pwedeng isisi sa anak. Pero yung anak yung nagsasuffer nun na hindi natin alam kung yun nga, part ng kabayaran na yun. So, ganun din sa atin, no? When we say yun nga yung feather in my cap, if I were to say it, kung ano man yung feather in my cap from before, madami akong sasabihin eh. But I'm not like that. And I will never ever credit it to myself na kagawan ko. It's all for God's glory. At saka gawa niya yun. And this is just one part of me trying to go to that direction na maisaayos lahat. Despite or sabihin mong kahit na siguro walang-wala ako ngayon as far as, worldly things or yung mga bagay-bagay na yan. If ever may mga blessings ako, I still wouldn't credit it to myself because lahat yun bigay lang ng Diyos sa akin. And naniniwala ako, yung pagtitiwala ko ngayon, nasa Kanya talaga lahat ngayon para kung ano yung tinatahak ko, I will be guided by the Holy Spirit. And yun yung doon nakasalala yung faith ko. So basically, yun yung gusto ko lang i-share regarding dun sa faith there on my cup. But it is also the feather in my cup na masasabi kong achievement ko so far is to have that kind of faith. Despite the fact na parang wala tayong talagang may pagmamalaki ngayon other than yung point na tumitindi yung faith ko na kahit na hindi pa doon sa mga katanggap-tanggap ng ibang tao. Because as far as my faith goes, ito yung mga tipong kini-question pa ng tao or kung ano man na parang holier than thou kind of thing, gaya na sabi ko kanina. Pero I would still consider it as a feather in my cup because, it's that kind of faith na talagang ipinagpapasa Diyos ko ang lahat. Basically, yun lang muna. So, faith there on my cup for fashion for the Christ and keep the faith, guys.